everybody? Welcome to Let's Play Drinks. We have Gordon, Percy, and Thomas.
I stumbled upon these 3 engines in a Target, and we got Sodor Safari Monkey Thomas, and he has a changeable face, so you can put the monkey on his face, and he carries a monkey, and he's got another car. And then we have Panda Percy, so you can put his panda face on him, and he carries a panda bear and another car. And then an elephant for Gordon. Elephant Gordon. How about that? And he has an elephant. Which one do you want to open first?
Gordon!
Gordon! Well, let's get to opening. Open him up. And let's take a good close look. They have a James. Oops, sorry about that. They have a James, but I couldn't find him. I felt lucky I found these guys. It's so exciting when I go away on a work trip and I end up in a Target or a Walmart in another city, and they have different things. They have different toys, and these guys were just sitting there. You have to undo the edge of it. There we go. Hold on tight. I'll pull. Whoa. There you go. There. I'll let you finish up. How cool is that?
Does he come with one car?
He came with the one car and then his tender. Check it out. Look at him.
I'm an elephant.
Hey, hang on. Be still. Be still. I can't get him because you're moving him too much. Look at that. Oh my gosh. He's got a little elephant on the side and some butterflies and an elephant driver in his cab. How cute is he? Elephants on the side. Oh, look at him. We got to put batteries in him, don't we?
Yes.
Yes. How super cute is that? What is his face? Is it just a regular Gordon? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it is. And he's smiling. Look at that. And how does this go on? This just pops right on over and over his funnel. Look at that. That's super cool. Put his elephant face back on. Can you get it? It was easier last time. There you go. There you go. Did you get it on there?
Yes!
Got it. Super cute. And what animal is Percy?
A panda.
He's a panda bear.
Yes, panda bear.
Panda Percy. That's so exciting. There you go. Cool. Let's see him. Uh-oh. Let me see him.
I'm a Panda Percy.
I'm a Panda Percy. I'm a Percy Panda. Look at this little black nose. Little black tip on his nose. He's got panda bears eating bamboo and some more butterflies and some tropical looking flowers. Oh man, and he is super sharp. Look at his little panda ears. He's so cute. And here's a mama panda and her baby panda. Super awesome.
Batteries!
Oh, batteries. We need batteries. Here, can you undo it? Do you know which way to turn it? The other way. Go the other way. There you go. Yep. Hold it really tight, because there we go. Sometimes to get it loosened, you have to press down on it. Okay, see if that pulled it off. Well, it pulled his face off. Did that loosen it enough? Yes. Put these two silver ones in there. Good job. Put him back together. Oh, he goes.
He's slow.
Oh, well, we gotta get batteries. He'll work for now. Let's go ahead and put him back together. Are you gonna try those? Oh, you know what? Try one of each. No, try one of each. Try that one. There we go. He just needed a little extra boost. Oh, hey, will you hold it for me? There we go. Look at you. You're such a good helper. Is this how you help Daddy when I'm away and he's working on stuff?
Yes.
Well, you're a great helper. There we go. Put him all together and let's run him on the track.
Panda Express.
The Panda Express. They got little tabs in there. You can put
Thank
them on
you,
so they fall out. Can you get him? Is he on there?
Thank you, Percy.
There we go. Start him up. Let him roll. Here comes Panda Percy with the Panda Express. Let's get Monkey Thomas out. Monkey Thomas. Thomas with a monkey face.
We got Percy and Gordon. There's the James.
I know. I didn't find a James.
No.
We might have to go on a small search for Sodor Safari James. What animal character is James?
He's a lion.
He's a lion. That would be neat to have. Let's see it. Yeah, lion. Roar. There you go. You're getting good.
Now this is the monkey fari.
The monkey fari. The monkey fari. That's pretty cool.
Look at him. He's giggling.
Is he giggling? Let's see. Let's see his whole thing. So there's Thomas. He's wearing a smile. Look at a monkey. Oh, look at that mischievous monkey face. Teamwork.
I'm waiting for the Monkey Express.
Here he comes.
There he goes.
Monkey Thomas to the rescue. Ooh, look at that. He's got the Sodor animal part. Look at that car.
Good morning, everyone.
Hey, let's put another one on behind. Let's put Panda Percy.
Oh.
Hey, you ready? Start, Thomas.
Percy. And don't forget Gordon.
I'm not going to forget Gordon. I'm going to put Gordon on here too.
Ooh, somebody's going to crash him.
No, nobody's going to crash him. Look at that. There we go. Look, we got them all going. There's Monkey Thomas with his monkey friend in the Sodor Animal Park car. And there is Panda Percy with his prize panda in the back, carrying his mail car. And, oh, Gordon is pushing Thomas. He's caught up with him. Ooh, we're going to stop him for a second. There we go. Oh, I think Panda Percy's slow. Looky here comes Gordon with his animal face of an elephant. And with his number 4 tender and carrying an elephant in his cargo. Look at all of them, so shiny and new. Welcome to our Thomas and Friends collection. Look at that. Okay, there we go. Helping him out just a little bit. There we go. Oh, they're so fast. Oh, and there's Rebecca. Oh, you better hurry. Oh, go Rebecca, go Rebecca, go Rebecca. Oh my goodness, Thomas is gonna derail. There's a monkey derailment. Whoa. Rebecca's leading the pack. Look at all of them.
He keeps falling.
Yeah, he does. All right, Bub, what do you think about your new train?
Good.
Good? We need to build a bigger track and get some more batteries. What do you think? Yes?
Yes.
All right. What do you say?
Thanks for watching Let's Play Trains. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.